Question D says we should find 90% of 720 pupils. 90% of 420 pupils can be expressed as 90 divided by 100 times 720 over 1. For 90% itself means 90 divided by 100. So you can then multiply out the numerators. This is 90 times 720 divided by the denominator, the product of the denominators, which is 100. For 100 times 1 is 100. So you look for a common factor that can divide both the numerator and denominator. 10 can divide this as well as this. So this is equal to 72 times 9 at the numerator, and 9 times 2 is 18, carry 1. 9 times 7 is said to be 63. 63 plus 1 is 64. So our answer, therefore, is said to be 648 pupils, because we are dealing with pupils. So this is our answer. So that 90% of 720 pupils is said to be 648 pupils. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take the next exercise on percentages.